Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half setup, full setup, baby setup, caps and muffler. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 2 plus 1 extra stitch, multiple of 2 plus 1 extra stitch. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 19 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches multiple of 2, 9 times multiple of 2 is equal to 18 plus 1 extra stitch 19. Here I make this pattern after cast on. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. First we knit edge. Now yarn in front and pull these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Second row wrong side, again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, that's a repeat, knit 1, pull 1. This is 2 stitches pattern, 1 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, 3, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, 4, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, 5, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, 6, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, 7, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 1, 8, yarn in back. Here we complete 8 times repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. Fourth row wrong side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, pull 1, yarn in back, this is knit stitch. Now knit the stitch from second loop. From second loop knit this stitch, that's a repeat, pull 1, knit 1 from second hole. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, knit 1 from second hole, 2, yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, knit 1 from second hole, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 from second hole, 5, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 from second hole, yarn in front, purl 1, knit 1 from second hole, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 from second hole, 7, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 from second hole, 8. Have we complete 8 times? Repeat pattern last 2 stitches, purl 1 and purl edge from wrong side. 5th row, right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete now. This is 6th row, wrong side. Again purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. First row right side, purl these all stitches, slip edge, yarn in front and purl these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of an. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.